We talked at the top of the newscast about other cities trying to get Dallas's police chief to come work for them. The business of recruiting and keeping police chiefs today, it's not always clear cut, especially with chiefs in high demand like Dallas's Eddie Garcia. But Ken Molestina spoke to an expert in training police leaders today who shared with us it's not always just about the money.
By honoring them.
As we wait to know more about Chief Eddie Garcia's future in Dallas, many are asking,
what makes Chief Eddie Garcia such a sought-after chief?
Well, to be honest with you, he's in that percentage where he's special. You've probably read the book Good to Great. He's one of the great ones. He's known as a cops chief. The cops believe in him. They believe that he supports them when they're doing their jobs and doing the tough job that they're doing. But also at the same time, he's able to connect with community members and their concerns from the wealthiest parts of Dallas to some of the cash-strapped parts of Dallas, all four corners.
Gregory Smith is the director of the Institute for Law Enforcement Administration based in Plano. He says Chief Garcia's successes are exactly what other cities, namely Houston, are looking for.
He's the Nick Saban of law enforcement. He has, if you remember, Alabama took Nick Saban from Louisianna State. When he won a national championship, we were surprised. I can understand why Houston would come after him.
He says it's not uncommon for well-liked chiefs like Garcia to get poached or lured into other chief jobs across the state or country. He adds most major city police chiefs average a 5-year tenure in their position before they move on. Garcia is on year 3.
The really good chiefs, the really great ones, they know when it's time to leave.
So that brings the whole conversation about Chief Garcia's future in Dallas down to one question. Does he feel like it's time for him to leave? Well, really, only he can answer that. But experts like Smith can speculate as to what would motivate a chief like Garcia to leave or stay. And it's hardly ever just a paycheck.
Can he make another city moving in the same positive direction as he did Dallas? That's going to be what's key. And I don't know if there's anything that a city government can offer that would counter that.
While the chief has not confirmed anything himself, Smith says he knows his wish is that the next top cop in Dallas will come from within their own ranks.
He's actually said, when I leave Dallas, I want to leave this organization in a situation where the next chief comes from within. That's great for morale. That's great for the city.
Until then, Dallas will just have to wait and see. I'm Ken Molestina, CBS News, Texas.